painful area. So kita bukannya macam start daripada origin ataupun kita start daripada attachment. Okay, we are wasting our time. So katakanlah this area painful, and then you nampak ada bruising dan sebagainya, clinically suggestive of hamstring tear. So you just start from there, you put the probe. Okay, so make sure, because you know that the hamstring can be big. Okay, so kalau kata you tak play around with the depth, sometimes you tak cukup depth dia. See, you tak nampak the whole muscle. So you kena make sure you nampak the whole muscle. Okay, so katakanlah this area is painful. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, and then you nampak macam ada tear sikit kan. Okay, so you can check with the long axis. Okay, confirm, katakanlah ada tear. Okay, next is you want to determine which muscle is this. Okay, so the easier way to do it is you just go down, and then you see that it becomes what? It becomes telur. Okay, this one you imagine lah. This one is telur, this one is mangkuk. Okay, telur is semi-T, mangkuk is semi-M. Boleh? Boleh So this one, katakanlah this area. So you nak determine which muscle yang koyak ni. So you go down, and then you tengok-tengok, oh dia jadi telur. So automatic is semi-T. Kalau dia punya koyak tu dekat sini, you go down, dia jadi mangkuk, so semi-M. Okay, so dekat atas sikit, you akan nampak dekat sini dia ada septum. So just lateral to the septum, this area here is your bicep femoris. So kalau kata bicep femoris tu, kalau you track down until attachment, dia akan attach dekat kita punya head of the fibula. Okay, so come. Okay, so I mean like you can play around, and then you can try to determine which muscle is which. Okay. Okay, so let's say you want to determine this muscle here. Okay, so you just go down, down. Actually, you go. Actually, this one is the direction. Yeah. Okay, so let's say you see a tear here. Okay, so you want to determine what muscle. Yeah, because it becomes a tendon, become a tendon. See, this one is the same. Okay.